I think then I initiate it now. Our this GT, and as I've already I have told you in previous GTs also. So GT and GD are different. Let me tell you. In GT, I will give you a situation. I will give you a problem, a situation. You need to be innovative in your mind. Think of that situation. Find out the hidden things. Think of all the aspects, and maybe the situation looks like different, but actually the situation may be different. You need to find that. You need to find out the innovative solution. You need to find out the solution which is practically possible. Imagine yourself executive. Imagine yourself the executive who is going to the organization, and I want to find the solution accordingly. I'm not treating you as ordinary person. I'm treating you as a particular engineer or as particular executive whom I'm going to recruit. So you have to behave as the one. You have to behave as executive. Let's say if you are going to IOCL, imagine yourself as employee in IOCL. Don't imagine yourself as a student or as a common man who is to give me the answer. No, you think that now you are IOCL employee, and then what you will do, what decision will you take, something like that. In that perspective, in the situation, any character he might give you. He might tell you that you are a policeman. He might say anything, but the characteristic he is going to check is like whatever you need to have for joining that organization. And second is, in the GT group task, you are a group. You are basically same group. So unlike GD group discussion, you guys are not to fight. You are not to contradict. Obviously you will do, because difference of opinion will come. Difference of opinion को converge करके consensus of opinion is all about GT. Listen again what I said. Difference of opinion is good thing. Because everybody has same opinion, there is no meaning of task. So difference of opinion, how you are to make that as one particular consensus or convergent opinion. That is group task. So pick up the good things from others, add to that, remove the bad things from others. GD group discussion में I may criticize your bad things. I may not agree with you. That's it. But in group task, if I don't agree with you, then what is the solution? How I'm to basically make you agree, or how I'm to take your solution also and merge it with my solution. That is a group task. So you guys are to use certain sentences. What sentences you have to use which you may not use in group discussion? Okay, friends, then I think whatever you are saying is correct, but I think we should consider this particular point also. So let's move in this direction. So let's have this kind of thing. Can we have this? So can Apurv, we can think of this, like Apurv, you are saying this, so can we do like this? In my opinion, whatever you are saying, that is correct, but there is small lacuna, there is a small trouble, Apurv, what I think. So can Apurv we do something like this? ये अप्रोच इस ग्रुप टास्क है. ये अप्रोच मेरे को चेक करनी है आपकी, कि क्या आप कॉलेज के एक प्रोजेक्ट टीम का मेंबर बन सकते हो और उस टीम की तरह से काम कर सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू चेक. So I believe we have all the informations here for all of us, and now I will give you one particular situation. In this particular group today, I think two are new members. Vivek Kumar. Vivek, can you speak out and let me check your voice level? Vivek?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubhi, can I check your voice level? Shubhi, can I check?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satyaki. Satyaki?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. So Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we all are now okay. जो new members हैं, like Gopi, you are a new member. Vivek, you are new member. So I will ask you to speak at the end. I mean, 2 minutes will be given to each one, and then you will listen to how others are saying, and then you enter into that. Then after this session, I will open the session. First round will be everybody will get 2 minutes to speak out, and then after that I will open the session, and people will talk among yourself. And then third session will be now, depending upon whether you are creating chaos or not, I may coordinate in between and ask that who is to speak. and third will be conclusion. You people are to conclude. So start listening also others and start collaborating with others, start coordinating with others. That is all about group task and group discussion. So this is how we are to basically proceed forward. Is this okay? Anybody wants to ask any question? Any question you have? So can I give
No,
you
sir.
now? Can I give you the now topic? Okay, so this is a
Yes,
topic.
sir.
This is a topic. Maybe you can write and then you can. One more thing, whatever topic is given to you during discussion, you keep seeing that topic. You should not deviate much from the topic, right? So let me give you this topic now. Please write. You are running. Sorry. Let me give you this topic first. Okay, I think this. You are running a company. Please write this. You are running a company. You are running a company, but due to COVID, your income has gone down. So you are running a company, but due to COVID, your income has now gone down. Income has reduced. You are not in position to give same salary to the employees. You are not in position to give same salary to the employees, but you want to retain the best employees. But you want to retain the best employees. But you want to retain best employees. What shall you do? How to manage this situation? What shall you do? How to manage this situation? So I repeat this entire thing. You are running a company, but due to COVID, the income earning of the company has gone down. But you want to retain your best employees, though you are not in position to give them same salary. So since you cannot give them same salary, how to retain the best employees, that is a challenge you are facing as of now. And now you are to think how you can find the solution for this. It is a ticklish situation here. You want to retain your best employees, but at the same time business has gone down due to external factors, and how to retain the employees now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am employee of the company, and company is running, but due to COVID, the income has got down. So we have to find the solution, no, sir?
नहीं, आप एम्प्लॉय नहीं हो, आप कंपनी रन कर रहे हो. यू आर रनिंग अ कंपनी. आप ओनर हो कंपनी के. और कंपनी आपकी जो है वो इनकम उसकी कम हो गई है.
यस सर.
तो आप सेम सैलरी नहीं दे पा रहे हो एम्प्लॉइज को, और आप अच्छे एम्प्लॉइज को रिटेन करना चाहते हो. तो क्या करना है, वही क्वेश्चन. अभिनव, आई कांट सी यू, आई कैन ओनली सी योर कॉपी.
Yes, sir. Now clear, sir.
No, now only copy is clear, not you. Where are you?
Sir, in front.
फ्रंट कहाँ है यार? मेरे को तो कॉपी ओनली आई कैन सी कॉपी.
मुझे भी कॉपी दिख रही.
सभी को कॉपी दिख रही है यार.
अभिनव शायद रियर कैमरा ऑन किया हो तूने.
हाँ, ये ऐसा लग रहा है. अभी आया क्या?
अरे तुम्हें दिख रहा होगा, तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा क्या? यू कांट सी योरसेल्फ.
ओह सर, ओ सर समझ गया. अभी आ जाएगा सर.
यस
सर,
अब आ गया.
यस यस. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग समथिंग इज मिसिंग इन द ग्रुप. Okay, can we start now? So I think I will start from Shankar. Shankar, you're there. You're only in the still pose. I think you're not there. Okay, so I think Satyaki, I initiate from you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Raj Shankarath, and I begin. Yes, sir.
Shankar, go ahead. Yes, go ahead if I can hear you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Siddharth Shankarath, and I take the opportunity to begin the group task topic that is given to us, that I am a company owner and we are facing some COVID situation and we want to retain our employees as well. But we are running short of cash and economy. So I feel that my personal decision will be to make some loan and to keep my employees with myself, and moreover I will try to convince them that you be with me for some time, and after when this COVID situation get over, when we achieve new heights, new profits, then we will I will give you some bonus, and moreover I will give you the 1.5 times the salary that was pending from the above months. So that will be my strategy, I feel, and I welcome all of you to for this group task.
Okay, so I go with the Rahul Bish now.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Bes. I'm glad to have group discussion with all of you friends. According to me, first we have to make clarity between us, the employee and we. If I am the owner, I have to make clarity between us. So I directly clearly say, this is the situation, this is a pandemic situation for all of us. So you are the best employee for me. So I will tell them we are not able to give the whole salary. So according to me, I have to be clear with that. Okay, sir.
That's it, huh?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Kishan.
Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm happy to start the group task. So first of all, as the owner of the company, I should make clear we should have an open discussion with the employees of the company that the current scenario is this, and obviously the company is not making that much profit which it was making. So obviously the salary is going to be get reduced. But to retain the employees, what we can do is we can make the provision of loans. We can take the loans from the bank and disburse their salary. Apart from that, we can also make the provision that for example an employee is getting a salary of 30,000, and if we are able to pay a salary of only 15,000, then rest of the 15,000 is with us, and with particular interest, the current interest that normal bank is paying, will be paying that interest after the 6 months or the 12 months when the situation gets normal. So this is my take, and so I'm happy to open the discussion here.
Okay, now Apurv.
Hello everyone. I would like to brief you all with my ideas and thoughts regarding this problem. As we know, the problem statement is that as an owner of the company, I'm not in position to retain all my employees, as my business has been struck with the COVID situation, and hence I have to find a solution for this. So I think first of all, the immediate steps that I will take as an owner are regarding, I'll ask the particular employee to work for a reduced salary, if that's possible. If that is not possible, I would like to set a test or a evaluation, set some evaluation parameters, and look for previous records, so that I can create a merit based merit list kind of thing, which can help me to find the best employees that are working in my company. Also, there may be a situation that after the COVID situation, I may need those employees back. So I would like to give the instead of approaching directly to them, I can go in a more connected way with my employees. So I think these are the points, and I would like to gather more information from you people. Thank you.
Abhishek.
Good evening, everyone. So today I'm glad to be the part of the group task. So I'm running a company, but due to the COVID situation, my income has gone down, and at the same time I want to retain my best of the employees, and that's our group task. So first of all, I would like to have an open discussion and a meeting with all of the employees, that I would ask them to just cooperate at that time, at this pandemic time, and I would ensure them that once the pandemic gets over, your incentives and your salaries, they may be increased, and they may be increased. And another thing is that we can also see that the redundant employees that are working in my company, or because we can say that they are not the best employees, or the work performance has not been as good as other employees. So I can fire them, and I can say that their work can be done by that employee. So a workload can be increased on them, and that amount of pay should be diverted to there, so that diverted to them, so that we can say that we can make them do more work, and the pay and amount of pay can be increased for them. Amount of incentives and pay should be increased for them. So I would like to others to express their views also regarding
Subhi?
that.
Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to have a group task. I'm glad to have a discussion on the group task given to us that we are running a company and we are not that and our income has reduced due to COVID-19 pandemic, and we are not in position to give the same salary to the employees that we were given earlier. So we need to find out the solution as a team. What can we do as a solution so that our employees must be retained in a company and our work also will continue. According to me, we can restructure the salary of the employees so that each of the employee get salary also, and we don't get lay off the employees, so that they could also get employment for rest of the time. And as we don't know till what time we need to face the situation, since economy is degrading day by day. So according to me, restructuring the payment of the employees is the best option, so that they could not get irritated with the daily changes of wages, and they could be retained for the long time. Thank you. And I open the house for the discussion among all of us.
Okay, Vikas Agarwal.
Good evening to all. I am glad to start today's group task. The problem given to us is I am running a company, but due to COVID, my income has suddenly decreased, and I am not able to pay the same amount that I am paying the previous to the employees. And I also want to retain some of my best employees. So for that, first of all, I can do is I will fix a meeting, that is schedule a meeting, and in that meeting I will tell all the employees that these are the conditions in front of us. So first, there are 2-3 ways such that we can manage. First of all, I will tell them that I cannot provide you the full salary. I can reduce your salary by 40%, 50%. If they are okay with it, then there is no problem. If they have some doubt that after paying half of the salary, our MD can fire me from my firm, so that I assure my employees that I am not have any idea of firing them just like by signing a bond that I should not fire after the COVID. So by making such a healthy relationship, the employees should think that the MD is so much thinking about me. So he or she can give their best to gain the profit in my company without any hesitation of losing his or her job. So I hope you all guys must have some of the importance idea to share with them. So I would like to welcome all of them. Thank you.
Satyaki.
Hello and good evening, everyone. So today we as a group have been assigned a task. The problem at hand is that I am running a company, and due to COVID-19, the company is taking a hit. So I am not able to give the full salaries to my employees, and at the same time, I would like to retain my best employees. So first of all, I'd like to go with the option that I will hold a open meeting and let the information, give the information to everyone that the company is not making profits, and so the salaries will be reduced, and please cooperate with us. And if I see that my best employees are getting doubtful of this company and they are going to be potentially poached by some other company, then I can always retain their salaries as the same and reduce the salaries of the other employees. And there can be other options also, like I can take a loan from the bank and try to retain the additional salaries so that nobody leaves. I can also reduce my own salary for a few months, and I can also promise bonus to all the employees once the profit again goes up. So now I'd like to open the floor for all of you to present your opinions also. Thank you.
Vikas Acharya.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Acharya. So for today's task, we have the topic that I am the head of the company and the company is doing some kind of loss due to the COVID situation, and I am not able to pay the salaries of the employees. So in this case, the first thing I will do is make a report about the performance of every employee that is present, so that I can identify the key employees who are necessary to run the company. And I think I will not reduce the salaries of the key employees because they are necessary. And for others, what I can do is I can reduce the salary according to their performance. And also for those employees, I can set an account such as an arrear account, so that for example, the latter the situation becomes healthy, situation becomes healthy economically, I can pay them back for their task. So for this, I would like to make a report about what are the total revenues we are getting currently, so that the salaries can be distributed without any kind of problem. So with this, I would like others to contribute. Thank you.
Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friend. My name is Abhinav. And as friend, we have discussing a problem that the company has got not enough profit due to COVID situation. As I am a head of the company, and first up, my action is that I would conclude a good meeting with our management, that what should be done in this situation, so that we can get a collective idea from that. And after that, tell the higher management that these things you have to convey to your subordinates also, and tell them that money is not only thing that you should join the company, but tell them the other benefits you are getting from the company, and ensure them that whenever the company get profit, their salaries will be credited to their amount with arrear and some other emoluments as given by the company. And allow whenever this situation is that, then allow some functional or sport program, so that uh, get to uh, get to know every employee, so that they can freely give their what they want. And after all, tell them that they would give the free response, that they want to stay with the company, or with when the company getting profit, they will get the money and all the social respects. And also tell that if you discontinue, then we definitely it's your option. And friend, I think that you would have a enough idea on this topic, so definitely we will get a fruitful discussion from this.
Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, my friends. As we know, today's our GT topic is I am running a company, and due to COVID, my company's business and income has reduced, and I'm not in a position to give the same salary as I was giving before the COVID situation. But I also want to retain the best employees in my company. So, what should be the plans regarding this problem? So I start the number of solutions that comes in my mind. First of all, I will arrange a meeting with the top leaders of our company. that what should be the first step towards it. We will first deal what is the company's data, by how much our business is getting lost, and what should be the numerical strategy towards the cutting the resources and the salaries of our employee. After that, I'll categorize all the employees that are working in my company, and categorically I will arrange a meeting with all those groups, one by one. It can be online, it can be offline as well, as maybe offline would be not possible in this COVID situation. So in place of that, I would try online one. Then I would discuss with them with full data and full like companies related documents, that yes, this and this are our business position of our company, and we before COVID we were at this position, and now we are at this position, and collectively we will decide, as well as I as the owner, and the colleagues and the employees, we will together discuss that how much should the payment should be deducted from employees salaries,
Okay.
so that
Yes. Vivek. So 2 minutes are over, Vivek. Now Gopi.
Good evening, everyone. I am glad to participate in this group task. Here we have a problem that I am running a company where due to COVID, our company has got into losses and we are unable to pay the salary that we previously pay. At the same time, we want to keep our best employees. So here are the few steps I would recommend. I would do for keeping our best employees. I will definitely first call all of my employees, whom I feel they are best and whom I want to keep them, and then I will show all the records of how company was performing before COVID and after COVID, and how it has fallen in the incomes and how it will affect their salary. I will show them and I will ask if they want. I will give the full salary and I will take the loan, and I will provide them other opportunity by showing the plan of how I can raise the incomes of the company after COVID in this critical situation. As every critical situation has comes with opportunities also. We will grab those opportunities and we can raise the incomes, provided if you support the company which you in turn had supported you all this time before COVID. You are all it provided shelter for you and your family. I think now you should help the company. And apart from that, I don't think that I know you are all my best employees, but if you leave the company, I don't think it will be a good badge on your history, because you have left the company when it is in a trouble. When you join for a new company, then it will be a trouble. You can't explain this, but if you support now, then it will be an achievement, and I will also provide a appreciation certificate that you have supported the company during this time.
Okay,
And
Gopi.
also, as many of my teammates said, I will provide them bonus also. Thank you. I am opening the discussion.
Okay.
For the team.
No, what I do, I open the house for discussion among you so that we can reach some kind of really good solution.
So friends, it is very much
After
obvious
listening
that
all you guys,
it is
I
very much
get
obvious.
to know that we all are agree with the first point, that we have to make a clarity between us and our employee. But except Apurv, we have to convince Apurv that we have to make a clarity between us and our employee, because Apurv is not agreeing with this concept.
So it is
that we
very,
have to
it is
make a
very much
clarity with
obvious
that.
that
One
if the
second,
company is
Kishan.
suffering. Okay. Apu, you
Kishan,
can go.
yeah.
Yes,
I just want to.
Yes, Apurv.
I just want to ask Rahul, like, what was he suggesting? I was not clear with his idea. Can you
Apurv, I am
rephrase?
saying that yes, Apurv, that I am listened to you, that you said that we don't have a clarity between that. our employee and us. According to me, Apur, we all are agreeing with that. We have to make a clarity. We have to make a bond between us and our employee, our good employee. According to me.
Yes, friend. What you are telling is correct, but first action our should be first to be analyze the situation. Why not we conduct a good meeting between them
Obviously,
and
the
telling
meeting
them
needs to be
that
conducted between the employees and the
Conducting the meeting should be the first process. We have to make them realize that in this pandemic situation that they should fully cooperate with us.
Abhishek,
And
I want to add one point that meeting, if we carry the meeting with higher management, then no profit. Then we have to schedule such a meeting that we should access to the root level of the employee. Yes, there should.
We are
yes, you are right that we must include the higher management, but in that case we should look upon the employees whom we want to keep or whom we want to reduce the salary for
Because
the
every root level,
Abhishek, what
every
we can
root
do
level
is
employee will
we can-
ever.
Because
we
you
can
are
conduct
mute.
two
Yes,
meetings.
first please unmute
Like
yourself.
first we can conduct among higher management employees first meeting, and then reaching to a consensus. After then we can go to employees, so that according to our higher colleagues discussion, we can approach to the employees, normal employees, so that we can give a solution to them.
Shubhi, I think what you're saying is correct. See, I think everyone.
First step is to
Guys,
make.
one second.
The
One
thing will
second.
be that
Siddharth, I think
Go ahead.
whether we will be going for a loan or reduced salary, or we will be asking for
that
bonus
is
for them.
that will
We must discuss about that.
Siddharth, I
Yeah,
think
yes,
everyone
yes,
over here is saying
yes,
that we
Siddharth.
should go for a meeting with the employees
Yes.
so that we can
First,
analyze the
we have to
root
conduct a
level
meeting.
problem.
Yes.
So I'm saying that
Yes,
everyone over
yes,
here is
we-
saying that just one second.
Apur, for the
Everyone
first-
over here is
Yes,
saying that
Apur.
we have to organize a group level employee level meeting, right? So I want to know one by one,
Yeah.
like what are you going to discuss in that meeting? I would like to know that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Apur, according to me, Apur, we
so
have
I
to make
want
a
to add
clarity
one
between
point.
all
we
of
can
us,
also
because
discuss that
Apur,
for example,
all are knowing
if you
that
want
there
Yes,
is a
Apur, I
Can,
want
can
to
we
add
go
one
one by
point.
one, guys?
Yeah, please
Can we
take
go
it.
one by
Yes.
one?
I
I'm
think
saying
what
that-
Apur said is,
Yes.
I think
I'm
what
saying
Apur
that-
says
Siddharth.
is somewhat correct, and I think we must appreciate his point about that.
Yes,
What we
yes.
must discuss.
Yes,
And
Siddharth, I want to add one
I
point.
also think
I
that
want
we
I
must
want to
discuss
add
about
one point.
what can be done.
Siddharth, please.
Yes,
I
yes,
want to
Abhinav, I
add-
agree with you. It's a good point what you said.
Yes,
but
I
think
want
that
to
we
add
must-
one
we must-
point that
we must try to
I
find
want to
out
add
the
one
consensus
point
and
that
the result
Please
is
go
a
one
problem
we,
is given.
as a
Just one
head
second,
of the
Abhishek,
company,
loans that
So we have to
should
go one by
ensure-
one.
reduced
We
salary
can't-
as it is said.
Abhishek,
Reduced
yes,
salary as
Abhishek,
it is said.
We can't
Yes,
proceed
reduced
like this. We
salary
have
as
to
it
go
is
one by
said.
one. We have
First listen
over
to
Yes.
the number of people.
my
Yes, Abhishek,
let's-
my point is that my point is
Guys,
that
let
as
us
a
step by
head
step.
first
My
let
friend,
Abhinav
everyone,
set everything.
my friend,
I'm not
Yes,
saying
yes.
anything.
My
Yes,
friend,
yes, friend,
Abhinav,
yes, friend, I
Abhinav.
want to share that. I want
My
to share
friend,
that.
Abhinav.
Yes, friend, I want to.
My friend Abhinav.
Yes, yes, friend.
Yes, I want to say you
Yes,
that
yes.
after meeting also we can reach into a
I
consensus
want to
that
share.
whether we are going to take a loan
I
or
want to
we are
share
going
that.
to take the reduced salary to the
Yes, yes, yes,
Abhinav,
yes, yes,
Abhinav,
Siddharth.
all
Yes,
you all
Siddharth,
agree
I
that our
want to
first
add
step
one
should be a
point.
board.
As
Right?
a
We
head of
I
the
think
Okay, now let me
those are the
intervene.
Not going to reach any conclusion if you are going like
Okay,
this.
okay, let me
I
intervene now.
think we can
Let me
agree.
intervene. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I think I'll give chance to each one to talk. So you can raise your hands and
Yes, sir.
one by one, I think we can proceed. So Vikas Acharya, you can proceed. No.
Yes, so friends, I think we should move step by step. And as we all agreed, the first step would be to do a meeting. So we can go for two different meetings. The first one is with the employees and the second one with the higher management. And then we can also make reports about the revenues along with the higher management so that we can decide how much money we currently have so that we can allocate it very properly. The second step I think we should go for is to decide also decide how the people are performing so that we can make a chart, and according to the performance we can reallocate that salaries. And
Okay.
I would also
Now
like
Vikas Agarwal. Vikas Agarwal.
Yes, Vikas Acharya, I agree with you, but in my opinion, we do not need to conduct two meetings. We can conduct only one meeting with the employer, because we want in this process we will directly communicate with the employer. What are their views on my opinion? They can clearly share with their MDs their clear thoughts. what are they stuck in their mind, whether they are agree with it or not. So it will be a more helpful.
Satyaki?
So because I think you will know that every company has a CEO and COMD, and under that there is a higher management. So I think we'll first need to go with the Vikas's plan, as that we need to have a meeting with the higher management first and discuss with them how we are going to proceed with the situation. And
Apurv?
also we need to convince them.
Apurv?
Okay, so I think in this discussion, everyone was coming to a point that we should have meetings. One with the, as you know, Vikas said, there can be two meetings, one with the higher management and one with the employees who are on the root level, so that we can get a wholesome idea of actually allocating the money, which was the point given by Mr. Vikas Acharya. Also, there was a point of restructured salary given by Shubhi over here, and I really appreciate this point because it can really help me to get these employees
Okay, this is
in the company.
Apur, this is not conclusion. This is, I'm just giving chance to talk. So Siddharth.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, that is a good point to have a meeting with the higher management. I agree with that, and moreover, I also think that an employee can't work for you in a reduced salary, and so we must have a meeting. But I also want to add one point, that we must think about the aftermath, that we have to take some loan, we have to give them bonus, we have to make them happy. I think we must talk about this topic.
Vivek Kumar?
This point.
Yes, sir. As we are seeing, the discussion is going on much on the topic of having meetings, a number of meetings. In addition to that, I want to add two more points here, that what I would like to do when I am in that position, I will not touch the salaries of such employees who are at the lowest grade in my company, because they are earning already very less, and if I will cut even a little amount from their salary, it would affect their livelihood. And I too want to retain all those employees who are working at the lower level.
Shubhi?
And
Firstly, I think that according to me, Siddharth, we can't take loan from banks since we don't know how long we need to tackle the situation. So firstly, we need to take care of this point. And secondly, like Vivek is saying, we don't need to cut the salaries from the best for the employees who are performing at the best level. Like Vivek, if you don't cut the salary, you are paying them the same. But how will you pay them the same amount if you are not earning that much profit?
Yes, I agree with Suvi that we should not take the loan from the bank because we don't know the condition for how long the COVID is going on. So there may be one alternative, that I can reduce the part of my profit and I will give the salary to my employer. That will be more beneficial.
Rahul Best?
According to me, sir, first of all are agreeing with that. We have to make a meeting. According to me, first we have to make a meeting with our finance department so that we get to know how much loan we have to take. It's necessary for us to take loan. Everybody is saying that, two guys are Subi and the Vikas are saying that we don't have to take loan. But for giving the salary, we have to take loan. For that, we have to discuss our finance department that how much loan we have to take.
Okay, Vikas Acharya?
Yes. So the problem regarding the loan situation, I have an idea. Rather than taking the loans, we can also pay the employees using the shares of the company. For example, currently the market value, there is some market value of the company, so we can provide them with the same amount of shares rather than the salaries. The same amount of shares can be provided, and the same shares can be cashed out after 2 years or 3 years. So with that kind of bond, we don't need to take loans from the banks, and we would also retain our employees. And also for the key employees, I think if there is a chance that they're going to leave the company, we can retain them by paying them the full salaries.
See, the thing is that our aim is to retain the best employees because we don't have money. So the point of taking a loan doesn't come into picture at all. You can't take loan because you don't have money. So you can't think of that. Also, there was points about the point which I liked about cutting my own salary so that I can give it to my employees and not touching the salaries of the least salaried employees. So because it definitely is going to affect their livelihood. So yes, please carry on.
Yes, I agree partially, and I also appreciate the point that is being made here that we must not take the loan. But I think that reduced salary is also a problem because we are thinking of our good employees. How with the reduced salary,
Yes,
our employees
I
are going
completely
to
agree
stand
with
with us.
Apur that we should not go for the loan, and instead of which, in the meeting we can have a discussion like a reduction of the salary of the top management, and we can also discuss that about the financial condition of all the employees and who is the one who needs the money most, or who is having the financial condition not so good that he can afford. So for them we can have that amount of salary, and for others we can have some reduction in their salary also.
Gopi?
So these
Sir, I think Vikas Acharya has made a very good point that instead of reducing the 50% or whatever percent of salary, we should give that much percent in the form of shares, and we should create the hope for the best employees that we are going to raise the incomes of our company by showing them the proper plan. By conducting a proper meeting with the HR people, with the higher management people before conducting meeting with the employees, and we should create them a hope that we are definitely going to rise and will make them economically strong after
According
yours.
to me, I think Abhishek, we can turn you were saying, we can cut the top management employees' salary to a slighter extent. But don't you think this would be a partiality to another employees?
Yes, exactly.
But
So we need to
partiality, but thing is
with
that
the
but they will
of
understand
everyone.
they will be able to understand that this is a pandemic
Yes,
situation
sir.
and
I
we have to
want to
divert.
say.
We are having such.
Okay, I totally agree with Shubhi that there is going to be partiality, but to save the company in this current situation, we have to retain the best employees. So the thing is we have to pay them on the basis of their performance, and everyone is going to obviously understand that.
Abhinav?
We also can.
Abhinav?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Sir, I want to add one point that first, after meeting of the employee, first I would analyze the other situations also, like that. How can I reduce our non-essential expenditure? Can I reduce the other activities which would be done by the company in the future year? We can stop them before doing such kind of very big action. We would stop all the new expansion of the company and telling the employees that safety is now their responsibility, because if I will not expend the money on the safety, and safety
Yes,
will yours.
sir. Apart from all the points that my friends have suggested, I agree with them partially. I want to add one more point that I can play a little diplomatic with my employees also, but with a soft manner. That if they would leave this company, there is a very less chance that they will get opportunity outside the company as well, because due to the COVID situation, the entire market is going down, and when they leave this job, there would be a very less chance to get the job outside the company, which I think which would help
Okay,
them.
now I will go for conclusion session. That is third round. There is conclusion round, and I start from Apur only. Apur, please conclude now.
Okay, so there have been very good points that have been made in this task given to us. Many of us suggested that we should go for reducing the salaries of the employees, which is one part of the problem. How I will tell you, see, this is going to help retain all the employees. It is not focusing on firing the employees. But as per our problem statement is, we need to get rid of our some of the employees and keep the best of them. So if we see in that direction, I think we should set some key evaluation parameters and tests so that I can find out my best employees. Also, we should keep previous records. We should see previous records to gather some information. Also, one more point. People were talking about, that there should be some direct approach in talking to the employees, and instead of that, we all agreed that there should be a diplomatic way to go, and we should keep the old bridges alive. We should not burn the old bridges. So I think these are the points, and I am slightly disagreeing with the point. I think not only me, but as a group, we are disagreeing to the point that we should not take loans. Yeah. So I think these are the points that I made, and I would like
Gopi,
to hear all of
so
you.
you need to conclude in 30 seconds to 1 minute, not more than that. Okay, Gopi.
I agree with most of my teammates that we should go for a meeting, and we should have 2 meetings, one with higher officials, and then with higher officials we should make up a proper plan that how we will come out of this loss and how we will make profits, and then we will conduct the meeting with the employees, the best employees whom we think and from their past records, and then we will tell them the situation, what is happening and how we will come out of this, and then we will say because of the loss we will not be able to provide the complete salary, and we will provide the whatever we are not providing in the form of shares. Then they will.
So now that we are at the end of the discussion, I think we as a team reached the conclusion that first we need to do meetings with the current employees and with the higher management, so that they don't lose confidence in us. The second thing we need to do is to see what are the total source of revenue we are having, make a report of that. We should also we also decided to go for the performance reviews, and after that we can restructure the salary. We can either reduce it, and for key employees we may not reduce it, and for other employees, those we think that those we need to retain in the future, we can pay them by shares, or make some kind of account so that they can be paid in arrears or bonus in a later stage. The point given by Gopi is also very valid, that we may also provide them with some kind of appreciation certificate so that they don't lose morale in the company. With this, I would like to conclude.
Rahul?
Sir, on the behalf of my team, I want to say that first of all are agreeing that we have to make the meeting with the higher officials, and then we have to make the meeting with the lower officials. Then according to me, we have to take the loan, but I convinced with all of them that we don't take loan, rather we give shares to them, and we also give the certificates also, which the Gopi has said. So that's all.
Okay, Vivek.
Yes, sir. With regarding to the task, now we all collectively come to final conclusion. I'll just give all of them in points with a quick view, that we will arrange a meeting, we will clarify the situation with full data. After that, we'll make our employees feel secure by dividing the shares among them, and also tell them that if you leave the job here, you'll also, there would be a very less chance of getting job otherwise also. And I will also categorize the employees, and with this categorization I will choose that which category should be given how much amount.
Okay, Abhinav.
We will cut the non-productive facilities.
Yes, sir. As friend, we have a very nice point on this given condition. First, we have to go for the meeting, and after analyzing the condition, first thing is that we should cut the non-essential expenditure. And after that, we would when we are come a point that there will be the salary reduction, then one of my friend has telling that salary of lower employees should be maintained at that, and salary of high level employees will be discussed by the mutual understanding that what amount you want to restrict with them, and also pay the employees that whenever the company getting the profit, their salary will be reinitiated to them, so that in their enthusiasm, their energy should be not reduced. And
Okay.
after the
Okay, now Shubhi.
We have a good discussion on the topic, on the given topic, and we come to a conclusion. We as a team come to a conclusion that we will first go for a meeting among higher officials and then among the employees. After going to some solutions for them, and then we can also convince them so that they would retain in the company. And I can also appreciate the point that we can give appreciation certificate to them after the situation will be finished, and also we can restructure the salary so that they will be retained in the company for the long term, and we can again change the salaries after the we have finished the situation. But like shares giving shares to the employees and all these things, we can also have a look on them.
Okay, okay. Siddharth.
we we as a group conclude that first we will go for a meeting, if in case if it is possible, then we will talk about reduced salaries. If someone is agreeing, then we will go for that, and if someone is not agreeing, then we will keep the salary as it is. And for it we may go for share payment, or after that, if in case if needed, we may do a low little bit of loan in case if it is needed. And after that, we may think of bonuses and appreciation certificate. And moreover, the point discussed about here is to cut all the expenditures and cut my own salary. That we will pay as the
Okay, Kishan.
our employees.
Yeah, obviously, everyone suggested that we have to conduct the meetings, but the conclusion of the meeting will be that if a company is suffering, obviously the employees are going to be affected. So the key suggestions were that we can't cut the salary at the lower levels. We have to cut the salaries at the higher management levels. Apart from that, there were certain suggestions that we can pay them by the shares of the company, and we can give them the appreciation certificate. But the thing is key, first of all, as the company, we should try to convince them that if a particular employee is able to help the company in this particular time, obviously the company is going to pay him when the situation gets normal. So that's my take.
Okay, now I think Gopi.
Sir, I have concluded.
Okay, who's left now?
Me.
Okay, go ahead.
Me.
Okay, Vikas, go.
So friends, we had a great discussion, and we reached to the conclusion that first of all we will conduct a meeting. In this meeting we will tell our employers that these are the scenarios going to happen, so that we can reduce their salary. If they are okay with it, then no problem. If they are not okay with it, we have 2-3 paths. That first of all we will take some certain amount of loan and provide them the full salary. Either the CEO and MD of the company can cut their profit and provide their employer full salary, or whether an employee agrees to work with the reduced salary, the company can provide the bonus and the award certification participants. So
Abhishek?
these are the all 2-3 ways. So
Abhishek?
Yes, sir. So reaching to the conclusion, we as a team concluded and decided that first we should have the meetings. First one with the management meeting, that higher management meeting, and another with all the employees working in the company. And in the management meeting, we should work upon the revenue handling, the revenue source we are having, and how can we handle it. So we can have a discussion with that the management, that the employees that who are voluntarily willing to have their salary reduced, so that we can divert their revenue towards the employee whom we are trying to keep in our company. And another thing is that we can work on the restructuring of the salary of the employees. So for that we also have discussed various methods. And last is the bonds and the shares. We can assure them with the bonds.
So we as a group can conclude on these points that first of all, we need to hold a top management meeting, and by mutual understanding, we need to convince that we have to take cuts from our salaries. And you also have agreed to the point that we should restructure the salaries and try not to take any cut from the level at the lower levels. And also we can go for reducing the non-essential costs coming to the company in the next year. Thank you.
Okay. So now let me go first by one. Those who have spoken, what I found in them. I started with Siddhartha. Siddharth, you started the loan term first. Take the
Yes,
loan. You know how loan is given?
sir,
Background.
on the basis of past records, sir.
No, so as in the COVID situation, no bank is going to give you loan. You know, it's difficult to get loan actually. You all assumed that it is your discretion to take loan. That is a mistake everybody is doing. Loan, banks will not give you loan if this is the situation, a recession is going on. Very difficult. And second, even if bank gives you loan, will you be in position to return it later on? That will be a liability on you, huge liability. To pay salary, taking loan from the bank is the biggest mistake only government can do. Private company cannot do that. Government takes lot of loans from World Bank and all. Private player cannot afford to take loan and give salaries. You take a loan to purchase machine, I understand. That is going to give you something. Take a loan and give salaries. It is very difficult. Again, you need to understand this basic concept when you run the company. Difficult. Loan is something which is good also, bad also. If I ask you, loan is good or bad? Depends, sir. For what I'm taking loan? I took a loan and purchased a land somewhere, and I sold that land in high profit. Returned the loan. It is good for me. I took the loan, sir, to just eat it up my foreign trip. I wasted 5 lakh in foreign trip. So that loan is not good. And now you are getting money for salary loan. You understand the liability. Then you said, I will promise. That promise you may not fulfill. Now think whether you promise anything you promise. In this situation, can you fulfill that? Your credibility goes down. The person who is listening your promise, the moment COVID will be over, situation will be good, I will give you double salary. You said 1.5 times the salary. You know, at the face of it, employees will say, हमारा जो boss है ना वो फेंक रहा है, thank you. You know, you will be put in the category of thank you. You know, 1.5 times salary you will give. How can you be sure? How can you be sure your company is going to earn more, Siddharth? Bonus you will give and certificate you will give. Appreciation certificate I don't want. Sir, don't give me appreciation certificate, give me money. As employee, I will say that. I don't require your appreciation certificate. Yeah. And bonus you will give only if the company is in profit. There is again no guarantee. So I tell you, Siddharth, all the options which you gave, employees are not going to be happy. First, loan, bank means you cannot take the loan, number one. नंबर टू, प्रॉमिस जो तुम कर रहे हो एम्प्लॉई समझ जाएगा वो तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. मतलब जो टॉप मैनेजमेंट पे कंपनी चलाता है प्रॉमिस कर ही नहीं सकता. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, I think this difference is because you have not started your company, you are not running your company, you don't have employees to pay. I think I have, and I tell you, loan is something which you should hate as of now. लोन ले लिया भाई, कंपनी का दिवाला निकल जाएगा, तुम्हारा जो वो है वो रखवाते हैं, कुछ रखवाएंगे तुमसे सिक्योरिटी, वो भी चली जाएगी. This is not a right period time to take loan, and not the right cause also. There is always the right time to take loan and right cause to take loan. यहाँ पे दोनों ही नहीं है. तो सिद्धार्थ, तुम्हारा इसमें जितना भी तुमने ऑप्शन दिया था उसमें रियलिस्टिक नहीं है वो चीजें. अब मैं आता हूँ राहुल के ऊपर. राहुल, तुम पूरी बीच में तो तुम बोलते रहे कि इट इज नेसेसरी टू टेक लोन, अब बाद में बोलते हैं डोंट टेक लोन. Am I right when I said this, राहुल?
Yes, sir.
बीच में तुमने बोला लोन लेना है, बाद में तुम कंक्लूड कर रहे हो लोन नहीं लेना है.
यस सर, मैं कन्विंस हो गया था सर, क्योंकि बाद में डिस्कशन उनका चल गया था कि लोन नहीं लेना चाहिए.
तुम कन्विंस हुए नहीं थे बीच में तुम स्ट्रांगली अगेंस्ट थे लोन लेने के. तुम बीच में बोल रहे थे कि लोन लेना चाहिए, तुम एग्री कर रहे थे बीच में.
का मौका ही नहीं मिला. हाँ,
तो ऐसे करना नहीं है, ऐसे करना नहीं कि तुम अपनी स्टेटमेंट, और जब तुम बोलते हो तो तुम कन्विंसिंगली बोलते हो, तुम इस तरीके से बोलते हो कि तुम कन्विंस हो. तो बीच में ऐसा लग रहा था कि तुम लोन लेने की फेवर में और स्ट्रांगली हो, एंड में तुम कंक्लूड कर रहे हो नहीं लोन बिल्कुल नहीं लेना चाहिए. तो वो चीज मतलब थोड़ा सा कंट्राडिक्टरी अपने आप को नहीं करना है. अगर कन्विंस हो पाओ तो वहां बोलो कि मैं कन्विंस हूँ, यस यस आई थिंक वी कैन गो फॉर इट एंड व्हाई वी शुड गो फॉर इट. You said I cannot give you whole salary. Tell them very clearly. Make some kind of bond with employees, telling them that I can't give you the salary, whole salary. अरे ये ऑनेस्टी नहीं चल रही. हाँ, इंट्रोडक्शन में वही बोला था ना तुमने, ये कोई ऑनेस्टी नहीं चल रही. सारे लोगों को बुलाया, बोला भाई टाइम खराब चल रहा है, अब तुम समझ जाओ, मैं सैलरी तो दे नहीं सकता, तो यार अब आप मेरे साथ स्टिक कर जाओ. डू यू थिंक इमोशंस विल वर्क देयर? इमोशंस विल नॉट वर्क. एवरीबॉडी इज टू फीड हाउस. हर किसी को घर चलाना है और इमोशंस नहीं चलती. और आप एज अ ओनर इमोशंस के बेस पे कंपनी नहीं चला सकते. लोग इमोशन समझेंगे भी नहीं कि मैंने ऑनेस्टली बोल दी भाई टाइम खराब चल रहा है, सैलरी तो दे नहीं पाऊंगा, तो अब मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे कि आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिए. अगर ऐसा बोलने से काम चल जाता तो हम प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी होती है. ये तो हर कोई बोलेगा ना यार, ये तो एवरीबॉडी इज गोइंग टू से दैट. सो नंबर 2 सर, ये जो, हाँ सिद्धार्थ यू वांट टू से?
सर ये जो सर रिड्यूस्ड सैलरी वाली जो बात बोली सर सबने, सर वो भी तो सर मुझे लगता नहीं है कि वो भी सर काम करेगा सर.
आई एम कमिंग टू वन बाय वन. आई एम कमिंग टू ईच वन ऑफ देम. जहां पे मैं जो लॉजिक दे रहा हूँ वहां पे अगर आपको कोई डाउट है वो तुम पूछो. अभी तो मैं सारे में गया नहीं ना. आई एम कमिंग टू ईच बडीज पॉइंट. सो टेलिंग वेरी ऑनेस्टली एंड क्लियरली टू द एम्प्लॉइज, आई डोंट थिंक दे आर गोइंग टू जेल अप विद दैट. तो थोड़ा सा अनरियलिस्टिक है. मतलब उनको ऑनेस्टली बोल देने से वो कन्विंस हो जाएंगे, ये अजम्पशन आप कहाँ से ले आए? ऐसा नहीं होता. नंबर 2, जो बोल रहा है मालिक, आपको ये भी नहीं पता मालिक है कैसा है, वो किस तरीके का मालिक है. यू डोंट नो दैट. कि वो अच्छा था, एम्प्लॉइज उसको पसंद करते थे, नहीं पसंद करते थे, यू डोंट नो दैट. देयर इज अजम्पशंस बिहाइंड दैट. वो भी अजम्पशंस के ऊपर काम चलेगा. किशन, देन यू सेड ओपन डिस्कशन, लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक, गिव सैलरी, और बाकी जो है बाद में दे देंगे इंटरेस्ट के साथ. दैट इज व्हाट यू सेड. अभी इतनी ले लो, बाद में इंटरेस्ट के साथ दे दूंगा. अगेन ये सिद्धार्थ वाला फंडा जो तुम प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो ना, बाद में पता नहीं तुम्हारी कंपनी रहेगी नहीं रहेगी, किसी को नहीं पता. तो ना तो
अभी तो निकाल लेंगे.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. तो अगेन दिस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग योर यार पर्सनैलिटी. ऐसा थोड़े तुम कंपनी से, मैं चेक क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ कि तुम कितना बड़े फेंकू, प्रॉमिस कर देते हो, फुलफिल कर पाओगे रिलीज में. टास्क के थ्रू मैं क्या चेक करने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ यार, बताओ ना. मैं ये चेक करने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि तुम किस तरीके की पर्सनैलिटी हो. कि अभी तो चलो काम निकाल लेते, बाद में देखेंगे. तो काम नहीं ना चलेगा यार, उससे वो नेगेटिव चला जाएगा कि अच्छा ये बोल रहा है 15,000 रुपया बाद में दे दूंगा और इंटरेस्ट के साथ. तेरी 30,000 रुपये सैलरी ना, 15 तो अभी ले ले, 15 मैं तेरे को बाद में दे दूंगा इंटरेस्ट के साथ. अगला क्वेश्चन आएगा सर बाद में कब. सुन, अगला क्वेश्चन आएगा बाद में कब और कितना इंटरेस्ट. ये मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ भाई क्योंकि एवरी डे आई एम लिसनिंग टू दीज थिंग्स एंड आई एम फेसिंग दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. आई एम रनिंग कपल ऑफ कंपनीज एंड in all of them this is happening with me every day. और ये इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है मेरे लिए. आई कैन फील दिस टॉपिक, इसलिए मैं आपको और भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें इसमें कई बताऊंगा. तो 15,000 में तेरे को बाद में दे दूंगा. वो बोलेगा सर अ बर्ड इन हैंड इज बेटर देन 2 इन द बुश. आप ऐसा करो सर, इंटरेस्ट मत दो मेरे को, मेरा 15 अभी दे दो. 15 छोड़ो सर, मेरे को 14 ही दे दो अभी, लेकिन अभी दे दो सर. बाद में किसने देखा सर, पता नहीं कोविड खत्म होना भी है कि मर जाएंगे, अभी दे दो. So he is not going to take your this logic. Again इसमें practicality नहीं थी. और open discussion करना, I don't agree. Open discussion chaotic होता है, chaos होता है उसमें, chaos बताऊंगा बाद में. सारे employees को इकट्ठा बुला के, employees are not same. Some are high performing, some are low performing. किसी को तुमने रखना है, किसी को तुमने निकालना भी है. You understand? You have to lay off also some people. तो सबको इकट्ठा बुला लिया तो भाई open discussion में निकलेगा ही कुछ नहीं. तुम्हें तो हर किसी को अलग अलग बुलाना है, सबको इकट्ठा बुला के तो काम खराब हो जाएगा भाई. और बाकी लोन ले लिए बैंक से, गलत. ओपन डिस्कशन गलत. इंटरेस्ट के साथ बाद में सैलरी दे देंगे, गलत. तीनों इम्प्रैक्टिकल बातें. अपूर्व, आस्क एम्प्लॉय टू वर्क फॉर रिड्यूस्ड सैलरी. अपूर्व, व्हाट इज दिस? दे थिंक दे विल एग्री. When you said I'll ask,
they are not agreeing, तो उनकी जॉब जा रही है ना. फिर तो 30,000 है, मैं 15 के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, तो फिर नहीं मानेंगे तो 0 ही मिलेगा फिर से.
टॉपिक देखो क्या था. टॉपिक देखो क्या है. टॉपिक ये है, यू आर रनिंग अ कंपनी, इनकम ऑफ द कंपनी हैज गॉन डाउन, यू वांट टू रिटेन द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय. तुम निकाल किसको रहे हो और किसको पूछ रहे हो? यू वांट टू रिटेन बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय.
हाँ तो सर फिर मैंने कंक्लूजन में भी ये बोला था कि हम लोग ये जो पॉइंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि रिड्यूस सैलरी.
नहीं, तुम किस एम्प्लॉय को बुला के पूछ रहे हो? मेरा वही तो क्वेश्चन है. आस्क एम्प्लॉय टू वर्क फॉर रिड्यूस्ड सैलरी. व्हिच एम्प्लॉय? हाई परफॉर्मिंग और लो परफॉर्मिंग, बिकॉज टॉपिक हैज डिवाइडेड एम्प्लॉइज इन 2 कैटेगरीज। अगर तुम टॉपिक पढ़ोगे तो उसने 2 कैटेगरी में एम्प्लॉइज को बांट दिया, हाई परफॉर्मिंग बेस्ट एम्प्लॉइज सॉरी एंड दोज हु आर नॉट बेस्ट। इसने 2 कैटेगरी में बांट दिया ना यार। तुम जो एम्प्लॉइज को बुला रहे हो वो कौन है जिनको तुम पूछ रहे हो?
मतलब ऑनेस्टली बोलूं तो मैं सभी को बुला के बोलूंगा कि रिड्यूस सैलरी पे काम करें।
तो तुमने रिटेन करने की ट्राई किया? जिस तरीके से तुम बोल रहे हो, जिसने नहीं भी जाना वो चला जाएगा। जो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉई और कोई ईगो वाला है, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट है, बोलेगा भाई साहब हम चलते हैं, साहब ने ऐसा बोल दिया मेरी तो इज्जत खत्म हो गई, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ। तो वो चीज वो बोलेगा। आइडेंटिफाई बेस्ट एम्प्लॉई, वो ऑलरेडी तुम्हें पता होता है। आइडेंटिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, रिपोर्ट्स बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू ऑलरेडी नो ये बेस्ट एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं कंपनी में।
सर लेकिन आई एम द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी ना, और ओनर के नीचे तो काफी सारे एम्प्लॉइज होंगे, तो आइडेंटिफाई तो करना पड़ेगा ना सर। आप 5 या 10 लोगों को जान सकते हो आप, मतलब 100 लोगों को कैसे जान सकते हो?
इफ योर ओनर आपका एमडी भी तो होगा ना, तो एमडी को पता ही होगा सारा। नहीं
हाँ,
मतलब
तो उसके लिए
आपको
फिर हम
एम्प्लॉय
मीटिंग्स
से
कंडक्ट करवाएंगे।
नहीं वो तो मीटिंग से पहले ही सारा पता होगा आपको। मतलब आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी, वो तो आपको पता होगा, डाटा होगा वो आपके पास। इट इज लाइक दिस के आई विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द सैलरी व्हिच आई एम गिविंग टू ईच एम्प्लॉय। वो फाइंड आउट थोड़ी करनी, पता ही होता तो मैं कितनी सैलरी दे रहा हूँ। अब जो तुम लॉजिक दे रहे हो कि सर मैं मेरे अंडर तो 50 लोग हैं, हजारों लोग हैं, मेरे को सैलरी पता थोड़े है। पता है, वो डॉक्यूमेंट है ना यार, वो ऑलरेडी डॉक्यूमेंटेड फॉर्म में है। तेरे को याद नहीं है लेकिन डॉक्यूमेंटेड फॉर्म में है वो, तो इसलिए दैट इज
हाँ
नॉट।
सर, तो मतलब पता करने का मेरा मतलब है कि वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स को अपने सामने लाऊंगा।
ओके, तो वो कोई स्टेप नहीं, वो कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं है, वो कोई टास्क नहीं है एक्चुअली। दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ टास्क, दैट यू नो, दैट इज योर डाटा, दैट इज योर इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो आई नो विच आर माई बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय। नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू। मैंने आपको टास्क दिया है, उस टास्क में आइडेंटिफाई द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय नहीं है, वो तो ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट। उसमें ये कि अब बता क्या करना, सॉल्यूशन वेरी प्रिसाइज।
तो सर जैसे मैंने जो पॉइंट दिया था इवैल्यूएशन पैरामीटर सेट करने का और टेस्ट करने का, तो वो मैंने ये सोचा था कि जैसे कुछ एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं सर, वो अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है करंटली उनके लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा हो, जो भी सिचुएशन हो वो अभी कर ना रहे हो, तो एटलीस्ट उनको भी चांस मिलना चाहिए। इसलिए एक टेस्ट देना चाहिए सर, टेस्ट या इवैल्यूएशन पैरामीटर सेट करने चाहिए और फिर करंटली उनको जज करना चाहिए।
आपका एक पॉइंट अच्छा था। आपने किसी से पूछा था कि मेरे को ये बताओ मीटिंग में डिस्कस क्या करना है। नहीं, जो आपने बोला था डोंट गो फॉर लोन, दैट इज अ गुड पॉइंट। आई थिंक यू वर अगेंस्ट द लोन। नंबर 2, आपने ना जब कोई डिस्कशन चल रहा था आपने बोला आई वांट टू नो कि आप डिस्कस करना क्या चाहते हो मीटिंग में, इसको एक एक करके बताओ, 1 बाय 1 मेरे को बताओ। ये इसलिए अच्छा था क्योंकि इससे टास्क लग रहा था, ग्रुप एम्बेडेडनेस लग रही थी। बीच में डिस्कशन करते करते जो आपने किसी को बोला उससे लग रहा था कि यू आर टॉकिंग द वे कि जिसमें टास्क है, एक्चुअल में टास्क है, एंड यू वांट के सब लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व हों। डिस्कशन नहीं है और टास्क है, ये डिस्कशन में नहीं हो सकता। अगर यही लाइन आपने डिस्कशन में बोली होती तो आई वुड हैव सेड कि नहीं यार ये थोड़ी होता है। टास्क में तुमने बोली वो सही है कि हाँ यार बताओ ना क्या डिस्कस करना चाहते हो। ओके, यू आर सेइंग आई वांट टू डिस्कस। अच्छा, यू वांट टू टेक लोन, यू टेल मी नाउ व्हाई यू वांट टू टेक लोन। तो जब आप ये सब पूछोगे ना दूसरे से क्वेश्चन कि ओके आई मे टेक योर पॉइंट, लेकिन पहले बताओ लोन लेना क्यों है, लेट्स कन्विंस अस कि लोन क्यों लेना आपने, व्हाई यू वांट टू टेक लोन। तो वो टास्क लगेगा, वो टास्क की तरह से लगेगा, वो सही है। अभिषेक ने 2-3 बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट बताए। रिडंडेंट एम्प्लॉइज को निकाल दो, ले ऑफ कर दो, उनकी सैलरीज उनको दे दो जो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉइज हैं। ये प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल है। मेरे पास 50 एम्प्लॉइज हैं, आई वांट टू रिटेन दिस 10। These guys can work more, and I tell you honestly, those who are efficient, best employee, they can work more also if their salary is not compromised. मतलब they can work more, that is the reason they are best. अब जो काम नहीं कर रहा उसको निकालो, 10,000 रुपया का एम्प्लॉय 20,000 रुपया ले रहा है, उसको निकालो। जो काम नहीं कर रहा है, जो रिडंडेंट है, रिडंडेंट इज द वर्ड ही यूज्ड, उसको निकालो और दूसरे को दे दो। अभिषेक को सही पॉइंट था, pay more to efficient. So can it be done that there are some employees who are redundant now because business has gone down? So I am very sure there will be some redundant employees also, and I think we can do away with them. कंपनी का बिजनेस नीचे चला गया ना, तुम खुद सोचो, बिजनेस नीचे गया तो उतने लोग थोड़ी चाहिए अभी तुम्हें। ले ऑफ तो करना ही है, किसको करना है, जिसको करना है उसको करो, और उनकी इनकम यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी डाइवर्ट की जा सकती है। सो वी कैन नॉट रिड्यूस यूनिफॉर्म बेसिस पे कि हर किसी की 50% कर दो, हर किसी की 30% रिड्यूस कर दो. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट. फॉर सम you can reduce by 5%, for some you can increase by 5%. Remember that also. Overall income is what? Let's say my company was having 1 crore income annually. Now because of COVID it is looking like it is going to have only 70 lakh, 30 lakh ka loss, 30 lakh, 30% loss. Okay, now I need to reduce my expenditure 30%. In expenditure में income भी आता है, salary भी आता है, sorry, salary मेरे को reduce करना है. Now my income has gone down. Let's analyze kitna. Expenditure should also go down. Expenditure is of two types now. Salary is one part. There may be some other expenditure. Somebody used, yes, Abhinav used how to reduce expenditure. Abhinav ने बोला कि ये पता तो करो expenditure और कैसे reduce कर सकते हैं. तो I will have a meeting. If you want to have meeting with everyone, you call everyone and have a brainstorming session. In the brainstorming session, ask two things. दो चीज. Nobody focused on this point that income of the company has gone down. Nobody thought of how can we increase the income of the company. Did any one of you talk about that? You assumed that if income has gone down, good, it will remain low only. Why can't company diversify and try to increase its income? Why income cannot be increased in the company? क्योंकि अगर कंपनी की इनकम बढ़ जाए, वो कैसे बढ़ेगी? ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन करते हैं ना सर. लेट्स कॉल एवरीवन एंड आस्क देम हाउ डू यू थिंक वी कैन इंक्रीज अवर इनकम. तो आई गिव यू एग्जांपल ऑफ माय ओन स्टफ. आई वाज रनिंग couple of companies, educational companies also, offline also. जब से ऑफलाइन बंद हुआ, वी हैड अ मीटिंग कि ऑनलाइन को कैसे प्रमोट करें. You know, this kind of income now you people are paying for this. This was not there earlier. But this is one of the way we have increased our income. So we can increase our income by this also. So if the company's income has gone down, why can't it be increased by some another means? Let's have a brainstorming session with the employees for that. Number 2, unnecessary expenditure. उसने अभिनव ने एक और टर्म यूज किया था शायद. कौन सा एक्सपेंडिचर उसने यूज किया था? unnecessary expenditure या something. अभिनव you use the word.
सर नॉन इसेंशियल एक्सपेंडिचर. नॉन इसेंशियल में सारे आ गए कि
तो एक्सपेंडिचर को रिड्यूस करो,
उनको भी नहीं.
एक्सपेंडिचर को रिड्यूस कर दो. मे बी आपको सैलरी रिड्यूस करने की शायद उतनी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं पड़ेगी. इनकम 30% कम हो गई. पहले ये सोचो इनकम को मेरे को कैसे इंक्रीज करना है, सो दैट इट शुड नॉट बी 30%, इट शुड बी 20%. रिडक्शन इज ओनली 20%. नाउ सेकंड, लेट्स रिड्यूस द एक्सपेंडिचर्स. लेट्स मेक इट सच दैट कि ओनली लॉस इज 10%. ओके, नाउ 10% लॉस. अब कुछ एम्प्लॉइज को निकाल दो जो रिडेंडेंट है, दे आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. लेट्स बार्गेन ऑन some expenditures, जैसे रेंट है, बिल्डिंग का रेंट. अर्लियर यू वर गिविंग रेंट ऑफ 2 lakh. आई टेल यू, इन वन ऑफ माय premises I used to give rent 2 lakh. The moment this entire thing started, I requested him, I told him I don't have any option, you need to reduce the rent. So he also agreed to reduce the rent. You have bargained there. Reduce the rent by 50%. So if you reduce the rent by 50%, maybe your income will not reduce that much. तो ऐसे से दिमाग लगाओ ना, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करो ना उसमें. तो पहले तो ये करो कि कैसे ऐसे हम वो चीज कर सकते हैं. दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यस, अभिनव का पॉइंट एक्सपेंडिचर कम करना वाज गुड. अभिनव स्टार्टेड दैट मीटिंग विद माय मैनेजमेंट. यू सी, you are the owner of the company, there is no top management, but yes, there can be the senior management under you. So use the words very carefully. You are the owner, you are running a company, so there is no top management. आपके ऊपर कोई नहीं है, लेकिन yes, there will be senior management जो आपके अंडर हो सकते हैं. You can call it your meeting cabinet, whatever you call it, yes. Board of governors.
Sir,
so yes, they are to be discussed.
वही मैं बोलना चाह रहा था कि हर एक एक्शन को मैं हर एम्प्लॉय को नहीं बता सकता हूँ. एक इसीलिए मुझे टॉप मैनेजमेंट रखना के साथ अलग डील करना है और बॉटम रूट लेवल एम्प्लॉय के साथ अलग मीटिंग रखनी है कि उनको ये फेथ लगे कि हम निकल जाएंगे. टॉप लेवल से हमें पूरा क्या हमें आगे करना है, कैसे रिडक्शन करना है, उनसे पूरा डिस्कस करना है, क्योंकि हमें साथ साथ उनका फेथ भी नहीं खोना है.
Abhinav, you have given the right approach in the sense that meeting should be in two ways. Meeting should be with the management.
Yes sir.
Different levels of management के साथ मीटिंग होनी चाहिए. और एम्प्लॉइज में भी आपको डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज के एम्प्लॉय से मीटिंग करनी है. कलेक्टिव मीटिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. ऐसी सिचुएशन में कलेक्टिव मीटिंग ना तो एडवाइजेबल है ना पॉसिबल है. तो आपको मीटिंग करनी है, लेकिन सबके साथ इकट्ठी नहीं, मैनेजमेंट के साथ अलग करो, टॉप मैनेजमेंट के साथ, फिर आप दूसरों के साथ करो, तो मीटिंग करो। अभिनव, यू सेड अबाउट द एरियर्स यू कैन नॉट प्रॉमिस एज ऑफ नाउ, डिफिकल्ट है एरियर्स को प्रॉमिस करना। आप बोल दो कि आपके
नहीं
जितना
सर, मैंने ये बताया था कि अभी कि जैसे व्हेन यू आर, अभी उनको फ्यूचर प्लान के बारे में हम बता रहे हैं कि हमारी कंपनी में अगर आपको ये अदर बेनिफिट्स भी मिलते हैं, कि ऐसा मत सोचिए कि हम सैलरी के बेसिस पे ही इस कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास और बेनिफिट है। और मैं इंश्योर करता हूँ जब कंपनी नया फिर से प्रॉफिट में आ जाएगा तो मैं आपकी रेस्ट सैलरी एरियर के रूप में आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा। मैं ये कह रहा
वो गलत है, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हें, नहीं दे पाओगे तो मैं बता रहा हूँ।
अच्छा सर,
आप अच्छे
हाँ
करियर
सर, वो
का, इफ सिचुएशन इंप्रूव्स आई विल ऑफर यू गुड करियर, ये बोल सकते हो, लेकिन कैटेगोरिकली ये नहीं बोल सकते मैं तुम्हें ज्यादा सैलरी दे दूंगा। एरियर मींस जो तेरा पेंडिंग है वो दे दूंगा, नहीं दे पाओगे आप, वो तो तेरे ऊपर लाइबिलिटी खड़ी हो जाएगी। बंदा कैलकुलेट करेगा, मेरी तो 30,000, 30 से आपने 20
हाँ सर,
का एरियर चल रहा है, जैसे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है सर, मेरे को 1 लाख मिलेगा कब, एंड यू हैव टू आंसर इट अगेन। ये प्रैक्टिकल पॉसिबल नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट गो डू दैट, राइट, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। Vikas Acharya said, make a report of performance or of in all employee and don't reduce the salary of necessary and other reduce salary as per their performance। तो ये विकास आचार्य का पॉइंट सही था कि उनकी सैलरी रिड्यूस मत करो जिनकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी, जिनकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है उनकी सैलरी रिड्यूस कर दो। एग्री टू दैट, मतलब सेम ट्रीटमेंट यू कैन नॉट गिव, ले ऑफ कर दो कुछ लोगों का, कुछ की सैलरीज कम कर दो, दोस थिंग्स कैन बी डन। Meeting at higher management and meeting at employees level, that can be done। हायर मैनेजमेंट लेवल पे मीटिंग हो सकती है और एम्प्लॉइज के ऊपर मीटिंग हो सकती है। विकास आचार्य का वो पॉइंट सही था, हायर मैनेजमेंट लेवल पे और एम्प्लॉइज लेवल पे मीटिंग होगी। सत्याकी said hold open meeting, you cannot have open meeting Satyaki for everything, for certain things you can have open meeting, so we need to have both kind of meetings, maybe a combined open meeting in which you can open brainstorming session, you can ask everyone, see situation is grim, suggest me how can we increase the income of the company and also how we can reduce the expenditure, so each one of you think and tell me। ये तुम बोल सकते हो ओपन मीटिंग में, लेकिन कुछ क्लोज मीटिंग्स करनी पड़ेंगी जिनमें आप कुछ लोगों को बोलोगे जो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, किसी आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिड्यूस योर सैलरी बट यू अंडरस्टैंड सिचुएशन इज ग्रिम, यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड, मैं तुम्हें एडिशनल काम दूं, इज इट ओके फॉर यू, बोले हाँ जी मेरे को सैलरी देते रहना, मैं एडिशनल काम कर दूंगा। ये उसके साथ जो बहुत अच्छा है, जो नहीं काम कर रहा है तुम जानते हो यार बहुत मुश्किल है सर्वाइव करना, सो आई कैन नॉट रिटेन यू, आई एम रियली सॉरी, उसको भेज दो घर, जिसको ले ऑफ बोलते हैं, उसके साथ मीटिंग अलग होगी। ऐसे कुछ लोगों के साथ किसी, एज यू नो सिचुएशन इज पैथेटिक, कंपनी इज नॉट, कंपनी का 50% का लॉस है लेकिन मैं तेरी सैलरी ओनली 20% रिड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। ये वो लोग जो बहुत अच्छे नहीं है, जो बहुत बुरे भी नहीं है, तो हमारे पास
सर मैं एक्चुअली ये पॉइंट उठाना चाहता था बट मैं डिस्कनेक्टेड हो गया होल मीटिंग में,
नहीं कोई बात नहीं। एंड रिड्यूस माय ओन सैलरी, ये फिलोसॉफिकल है, कोई एग्री थोड़ी करेगा, तेरे एम्प्लॉइज को पता होता है कि मालिक कितना कमा रहा है। अगर तुम बोल भी दोगे देखो मैं आपके लिए अपनी सैलरी 1 रुपया ले रहा हूँ, तो दिल से फेंक रहा है, अगेन इमोशनल आ जाएगा वो, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू ट्रस्ट यू। तो अपनी सैलरी कम कर दूंगा, बोनस दे दूंगा प्रॉफिट होने पे।
सर ये मैं उनको बोलूंगा नहीं, बट मैं अपनी सैलरी कम करके रेवेन्यू डाइवर्ट तो कर सकता हूँ, ये बस हायर मैनेजमेंट और
तो
मैं
ये टास्क थोड़ी हुआ, फिर ये तो टास्क ही नहीं हुआ। तो जो तुमने अपने घर बेचो, घर से पैसा लगाओ, वो तो सब देखो, आप कंपनी चला रहे हो कुछ कमाने के लिए, तुम्हारी वाइफ तुम्हें घर से निकाल देगी कि अगर उसको आपने पैसा नहीं दिया, जो तुम कमा रहे हो घर लेके जाओगे ना। एंड Satyaki, I'm telling you this because I feel like even selling my house to keep my employees, but do you think my wife is going to agree that, my parents are going to accept that? They're going to say कि if you cannot earn, why you are giving others, stop it and earn for you। ये प्रैक्टिकली नहीं होता कि मैं अपना रिड्यूस कर दूंगा और दूसरे को दे दूंगा, इससे कंपनियां नहीं चलती, ऐसे प्रैक्टिकली कंपनियां नहीं चलती। तेरे को अपना प्रॉफिट रखना है, तभी यू आर ऑल्सो अ पर्सन यार, यू आर ऑल्सो टू अर्न, यू आर टू मेंटेन योर लेवल। मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ उतना रखो, लेकिन उसका मतलब ये सोल्यूशन नहीं हुआ ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, और उससे तुम कंपनी को बहुत ज्यादा चला भी नहीं पाओगे। दैट इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन जो हम ढूंढ रहे हैं। उसके बाद अभिषेक का, शुभी का, restructure you said, Shubhi, what is the meaning of that?
So for some time we can, if we want to reduce the salary, then we can reduce the salary of those employees, and if we want to increase the salary of some employees, as you said, then we can increase the salary for some time, so that restructure, so that employees will not get irritated by the changes, fluctuations in the salary in the meantime.
See, employees will get irritated if you reduce their salary. If restructuring means reduction, they will get irritated. If restructuring simply means increasing, they'll be happy.
Sir, I mean that अगर कंपनी को लॉस हो रहा है तो हम कभी फर्स्ट मंथ हमने 50% रिडक्शन किया, नेक्स्ट मंथ हमने 60% रिडक्शन किया, तो इससे एम्प्लॉइज का like they can shift to another place. But
so how you will restructure in beforehand only without knowing कि कंपनी को कितना मिलेगा? restructure करोगे कैसे आप? किस पैरामीटर के बेस पे?
So depending upon कि हमें फ्यूचर में कितना लॉस या प्रॉफिट होने वाला है,
वो थोड़ी पता होता है कंपनी को. और अगर फ्यूचर कितना अगर आपको पता हो तो आप 50% 60% क्यों चेंज करोगे हर मंथ? और आपने एज्यूम क्यों किया कि कंपनी हर मंथ 50% 60% रिड्यूस करती है? ऐसा नहीं करती कंपनी. आई टेल यू, मार्च 25 को जब शट डाउन हुआ ना, तो 1 अप्रैल से आई टोल्ड माय एम्प्लॉइज फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दिस ओनली. और ये मैंने नहीं बोला, मेजोरिटी ने यही बोला होगा कि अगले साल, अगले कुछ ने 6 महीने बोला होगा, कुछ ने 3 महीने बोला होगा, उन्होंने बोला होगा ये. क्योंकि जैसे ही तुम सैलरी रिड्यूस करके दोगे, वो पूछेगा कि सर अब ये इतनी सैलरी मेरे को कब तक मिलेगी. रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑलरेडी होती है वो.
तो सर आई मीन द सेम कि रिस्ट्रक्चर कर दें फॉर द डेफिनेट टाइम, सो दैट दे विल नॉट.
सुबह वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकला ना. प्रॉब्लम तो वही रही. प्रॉब्लम तो ये थी कि आप सैलरी अगर बेस्ट, अब प्रॉब्लम देखो क्या थी. प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि बेस्ट एम्प्लॉइज को रिटेन कैसे करना है, ये थी प्रॉब्लम. एंड आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन लाइन ये थी कि मैं सैलरी को रिस्ट्रक्चर कर दूंगी. ये सॉल्यूशन थोड़ी मिला कोई. आप खुद सोचो, प्रॉब्लम कुछ और थी, आप कुछ और बोल रहे हो. रिस्ट्रक्चर कर देंगे सैलरी, ठीक है, उससे क्या होगा? बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय रिटेन कैसे किया आपने सैलरी को रिस्ट्रक्चर करके, ये बताओ मेरे को.
सर उनकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन भी तो एनालाइज कर सकते हैं ना ईच इंडिविजुअल एम्प्लॉय की, कि मतलब अगर वही डिपेंडेंट है उनके घर पे तो उनकी सैलरी रिड्यूस नहीं करेंगे, और जो जिनके घर में कोई और अर्निंग है तो
तुम कैसे करोगे, कैसे पता करोगे वो?
सर उनका जैसे अब कोई एम्प्लॉय आपके यहाँ वर्क कर रहा होगा तो उसका पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन तो तब भी होगी कि उसकी फैमिली में वही उस पे डिपेंडेंट है.
मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताता हूँ. मेरे ना ऑफिस में 2 एम्प्लॉय हैं, अभी भी हैं वो. एक एम्प्लॉय है वो क्या कहते हैं कार में आता है और दूसरा साइकिल में आता है. बताओ कौन रिच है और कौन पुअर है? जो कार में आता है ना वो मैनेजमेंट लेवल पे है, उसको मैं देता था 30-35 हजार रुपया. जो साइकिल पे आता था उसको मैं 15,000 देता था. और मेरा हमेशा सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर 15,000 वाले के ऊपर जाता था कि यार ये गरीब आदमी साइकिल पे आता है और ऐसा है. एक दिन वो कार वाला मेरे को बोलता, सर ये गरीब नहीं है, ये यहाँ से जाने के बाद अपना अंडों की वो एग्स बेचता है वो, और 20,000 उसमें कमाता है, मेरे से ज्यादा कमाता है सर ये. और इसका लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा कि ये सेविंग ज्यादा करता है, इसकी मेरे से ज्यादा इनकम है. यू कैन नॉट एनालाइज दैट एक्चुअली. आई टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, तुम किसी के बेस पे नहीं बता सकते कौन घर से कितना अच्छा है और किसको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है. और ये तो अलग से टास्क हो जाएगा पैरेलल. अभिषेक, ये तो बहुत बड़ा टास्क हो जाएगा जो तुमने पकड़ लिया. नंबर 2, तुम किससे पूछोगे, क्या पूछोगे, किसको देखोगे, कैसे देखोगे? सपोज किसी एम्प्लॉय का असेसमेंट करनी है तुम्हें, तेरे घर में कितना इनकम होता है, तुम मेरे को प्रैक्टिकली सोचेगा.
जब हायर करते हैं तो सर इतना ये लेते हैं ना इन्फॉर्मेशन की हाउ मेनी डिपेंडेंट्स आर यू हैविंग इन योर फैमिली. तो अगर नंबर ऑफ डिपेंडेंट्स जैसे चाहता है, अगर कोई जैसे कोई अभी नया आपने हायर किया है, कोई स्टूडेंट है, तो जैसे अभी आपने रिसेंटली उसको कंपनी में हायर किया है, तो उसके जो डिपेंडेंट्स.
आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ, जो बैचलर है जिसकी शादी नहीं हुई, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर कोई डिपेंडेंट नहीं है.
यस सर.
एक मैरिड है जिसके 2 बच्चे हैं, उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट लोग हैं.
हाँ सर.
तो आप किसकी सैलरी रिड्यूस करोगे?
तो बैचलर की करेंगे ऑब्वियसली.
वो सबसे पहले भागेगा, पता है तुम्हें. जिसके बीवी बच्चे होते हैं ना, वो कंपनी को स्टेबिलिटी देता है. ऐसी बहुत सी कंपनीज हैं जो बैचलर को रखती ही नहीं है. अब मैं भी यही सोच रहा हूँ कुछ, क्योंकि मेरे जितने लोग भागे हैं ना, वो तुम जैसे हैं जो बिल्कुल, जिनको कोई लेना देना नहीं है नौकरी.
सर ये वीडियो YouTube पे जाएगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल जाएगा, बिल्कुल जाएगा. सब लोगों को मैं चाहता हूँ सुनो,
जाना चाहिए सर.
एक्चुअली तुम सोचो ना, बैचलर जो आदमी है वो क्या करता है, उसको डर नहीं है ना यार जॉब छोड़ने का. समझ क्यों नहीं रहे तुम? उसको डर नहीं है जॉब छोड़ने का. वो जॉब छोड़ देगा कभी भी, बोलेगा चल कोई बात नहीं मेरे का. लेकिन जिसको आगे फीड करना है वो जॉब नहीं छोड़ता कभी. इसलिए जैसे तुमने बैचलर की 5,000 10,000 कम किए, उसके बाद 20,000 और पड़े हुए थे, वो बोलते मेरे 2 महीने चल जाएगा फिर देखेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है मेरे को, कोई टेंशन नहीं। वो सबसे अनस्टेबल होता है, जो बैचलर है जिसके ऊपर कोई डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, वो सबसे अनस्टेबल होता है एम्प्लॉय, मैं बता रहा हूँ, वो कभी भी छोड़ देगा। और अगर वो काम का बंदा है और उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट कोई नहीं है, वो तो इमीडिएटली जॉब छोड़ देगा। क्योंकि मैं अगले पॉइंट पे भी आऊंगा कि काम के और जो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय नॉन बेस्ट में क्या डिफरेंस है। तो वो भी अभिषेक एक टास्क जो तुम बोल रहे हो प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है वो पता लगाना, और इससे बहुत सी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इश्यूज हैं कि कैसे हम कर सकते हैं, वो उसको करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। अच्छा, उसके बाद शुभी ने बोला कि वी कैन नॉट टेक लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक एज वी डू नॉट नो हाउ लॉन्ग इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क। दैट वाज गुड पॉइंट, दैट वाज गुड पॉइंट। एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट शुभी यू आर गिविंग, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक इट। बोले मैडम मेरे को एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट मत दो, आप मेरे को पैसा दे दो। सो एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट
अभी तो जो कर सकते हैं वही कर सकते हैं।
नहीं तो एक बार को बताओ, पहले क्यों नहीं दे रहे थे एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट, अभी कोविड में क्यों देना स्टार्ट किया?
So because they supported the company in the required time.
नहीं, earlier also they were supporting. So you want to say कि see if you're ready to work on less salary, you know what I am to give you? Appreciation certificate.
So it can work into their resume part.
No, Shubhi, it does not work that way. Resume में appreciation certificate से कोई फायदा नहीं। resume में ये रिफ्लेक्ट होता है पैसे कितने लिए तुमने, जब जॉब लग जाती है उसके बाद तो यही रिफ्लेक्ट होता है और कुछ नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट होता। सो मेरे को लगता नहीं कि वो एक जगह उसको अप्रिशिएशन सर्टिफिकेट मिल रहा हो, दूसरी जगह पैसे मिल रहे। अगेन तुम डेविएट करके ना टॉपिक से। मैं एक अच्छा एम्प्लॉई हूँ, मेरे को तुम 1 लाख रुपए देते थे, मेरे को अब तुम 1 लाख नहीं दे सकते, मेरे को तुम दे रहे हो 70,000, दूसरी कंपनी 1 लाख दे रही है, आपने मेरे को बोला ऐसा करो आप यार 70,000 ले लो, साथ में मैं तुम्हें अप्रिशिएशन सर्टिफिकेट दूंगी और रुक जाओ, और दूसरा मेरे को 1 लाख दे रहा है। सोच के बताओ क्या करोगे शुभी?
सर लेकिन वो तो नॉर्मल टाइम में होता है, अभी तो कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन में कोई और कंपनी आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट देगी।
ये क्यों अज्यूम कर लिए तुमने कोई और कंपनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं देगी? ये अजम्पशन कहां से आई?
की वजह से।
नो, बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय मींस, एंड आई टेल यू बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयज को कभी भी पेंडेमिक का इशू नहीं, ये उनके लिए नहीं है। जो काम के लोग हैं उनको लोग रखना चाहेंगे, वो क्या करेंगे, वो बहुत लोगों का, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि उनको निकालो जो काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनको रखो जो काम कर सकते हैं, आपको बेनिफिट होगा, आपको बेनिफिट होगा। जैसे किसी को 70,000 दे रहे हो, 3 और लोग हैं जिनको 25,000 दे रहे हो, वो तीनों नहीं चाहिए, निकाल दो। ये 70,000 वाले आदमी को 80,000 दे दो, ये तीनों का काम भी कर देगा। ऐसा होता है एक्चुअल में, ऐसा है एक्चुअल में। जो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय है वो बहुत लोगों का काम कर ले रहा है, उसको रखो अपने पास। और जो 80,000 रुपीज मंथली ले रहा है, ही इज फार डिफरेंट फ्रॉम जो 20,000 रुपए ले रहा है, बहुत फर्क है। 80,000 वाले के बिना काम नहीं चलेगा। आपने सोचो अगर पीएन को निकाल दिया, पीएन को क्यों नहीं निकालना, किसी ने ऐसा भी बोला, आई थिंक जो, हाँ विवेक ने बोला कि लोअर स्टाफ को नहीं निकालना है ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पे। विवेक बोलता है कि लोअर स्टाफ को नहीं निकालना है, वो समझ आता है। पर आप सोचो अगर पीएन को आप निकाल भी दोगे तो लॉस क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा, गंदगी रहेगी ऑफिस के अंदर, गंदा होगा ऑफिस, व्हाट एल्स। लेकिन इनकम तो पीएन की वजह से नहीं आती ना। तो वो चीजें तुम्हें सोचनी, पर जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टाफ है उसके बिना काम नहीं चलता। इंस्टीट्यूट बंद हो जाएंगे, आपके ऑफिस बंद हो जाएंगे। इज द मेन फेलो। जैसे किसी हॉस्पिटल में एक डॉक्टर है, वो सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी लेता है, उसी के नाम पे पेशेंट आते हैं। अब आपने उसको निकाल दिया तो नर्सेज, हेल्पिंग स्टाफ, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, वो क्या करेगा? पेशेंट नहीं आएगा ना, वो बोलेगा कि वी हैव गॉट सो मेनी नर्सेज, वी हैव गॉट सो मेनी पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, डॉक्टर नहीं है बस। तो डू यू थिंक पेशेंट विल कम? सो वो जो बहुत अच्छे स्टाफ होता है ना, उसके बेस पे काम चलता है। that point you have to think. You cannot afford to lose him, and he will get opportunity somewhere else also because he is the best. यही तो टिकलिश था। अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि उसको, जैसे विवेक ने ये बात बोला, you are going to leave, you go because you are not going to get job anywhere else. अरे ये assumption क्यों ले रहे हो यार? वो बेस्ट है, उसको जॉब्स की कमी नहीं है, तुम समझो। अगर उसको और कहीं जॉब नहीं मिल रही होती तो हम डिस्कशन थोड़ी कर रहे होते, तो जाता ही नहीं वो, तुम्हें लगता है चला जाता हो। डर किस चीज का है कि he will leave you, that is what we are fearing. He will leave you, and that I don't want he to leave me, I don't want him to leave me. That is what we are discussing actually, right? विवेक ने अच्छा, विकास फिक्स द मीटिंग, आई कांट प्रोवाइड यू। विकास आप तो पूरी हाइपोथेटिकल बातें कर रहे थे यार, कि मैं मीटिंग करूंगा, सबको बुलाऊंगा कि देखो आई कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड यू सैलरी, तो इफ यू आर ओके विद इट सही है, अदरवाइज आई विल टेक लोन। तो बोलेगा ले ले बोलेगा ले ले लोन, क्या ट्रबल है? You called the meeting of everyone and then you said कि देखो I cannot give you salary, still if you want salary I will take the loan. What they will say? हाँ सर ले लो लोन, what is the trouble? तो ये तो प्रैक्टिकल चीज नहीं हुई ना। लोन तुम वैसे नहीं ले सकते, और उनसे पूछोगे तो वो क्या बोलेगा? वो तो बोलेगा ले लो लोन, क्या ट्रबल है उसमें? कैन यू टेक द लोन? यू कैन नॉट आस्क देम कि क्या चीज है। देन यू सेड कि अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूंगा तो उनको लगेगा कि एमडी देखो हमारे बारे में कितना सोचता है। किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगेगा, किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि तुम कितने अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग हो, तुम्हें कितना हमारी चिंता है।
सर मैंने लोन नहीं बोला सर, मैंने ये कहा कि मैं अपनी प्रॉफिट में से काट के दूंगा, मैं लोन के अगेंस्ट था सर।
तो बोलेगा ठीक है, और अच्छी बात है, फिर तो उससे भी अच्छी बात है। वो बोलेगा तो उसमें से प्रॉफिट में से इतना प्रॉफिट क्यों कमा रहे हो सर आप, दो ना हमें काट के। वो तो फिर तो प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म हो गई। पर डू यू थिंक प्रॉफिट से काट के चला लेगा काम? मैं वही तो बताया, तुम्हारी वाइफ तुम्हें घर से निकाल देगी कि भाई ये जो तुम सैलरी लाते हो ना, ये मेरी प्रॉफिट, मेरा प्रॉफिट है, ये तुम कैसे दे सकते हो किसी और को?
सर बट ये है कि सर पेंडेमिक के टाइम में हम अपने एम्प्लॉय के बारे में सोचेंगे तो सर दे विल गिव अस द बेटर रिजल्ट।
नहीं, लेकिन तुम घर के
नहीं
कर सकते
सर, बट आई एम द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी ना, आई हैव अ मोर प्रॉपर्टी नेट वर्थ, सडनली आई डोंट बिकम सो मच पुअर।
नहीं यू
कटिंग्स।
तेरे को पता है अगर तेरी सैलरी मान ले 5 लाख है और तेरी कंपनी का खर्चा 1 करोड़ है, तो कितने दिन चला लेगा कंपनी यार अपनी सैलरी काट के? और ऐसे ही होता है, तेरी सैलरी मान ले 5 लाख है, 10 लाख है मान ले, लेकिन जितना बड़ा तेरी ओनर तेरी अपनी सैलरी होगी उतनी तेरी कंपनी बड़ी होगी। एक थंब रूल बता रहा हूं, अगर कंपनी में लॉसेज हो जाए तो अंबानी भी अपनी कंपनियां नहीं चलाएंगे अपने प्रॉफिट काट के, चला ही नहीं सकते। ऐसे नहीं कि चलाएंगे नहीं, चला ही नहीं सकते वो, इसलिए क्योंकि जितना बड़ा एम्पायर होगा, आज मैं बोलता हूं कि अंबानी को 50% का लॉस हो गया, वो लॉस एम्प्लॉइज को लॉस नहीं करने देगा, अपना सब बेच देगा। डू यू थिंक सो? इज द रिचेस्ट मैन ऑन अर्थ। अगर ऐसा होता तो किसी भी कंपनी में ले ऑफ क्यों होता? क्योंकि जो रिचेस्ट आदमी है तो अपने घर से चला देता काम, पर ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होता ना यार। छोटा ओनर है, उसकी इनकम भी कम है तो उसके खर्चे भी कम है, जो बड़ा है उसकी इनकम ज्यादा है तो खर्चे बहुत ज्यादा है। अंबानी का सोचो तुम कितनी इनकम होगी और उसका एक्सपेंडिचर कितना होगा। अब मान लो कि उसका 3 मंथ के लिए सब शटडाउन हो गया, सारा रिलायंस बंद, 3 मंथ सारी रिफाइनरीज बंद। अब उसने इन 3 मंथ की सैलरी अपने घर से देनी है, अंबानी बैंकरप्ट हो जाएगा, चाहे कितना भी पैसा उसके पास। वो तुम प्रोपोर्शनल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। घर बेच के अपना प्रॉफिट कम करके कोई मालिक कंपनी नहीं चला सकता, ये रियलिटी है, फैक्ट है। और दूसरा वो बिजनेसमैन है, इमोशनल नहीं है वो सोशल सर्वेंट थोड़े यार, वो बिजनेसमैन है। बिजनेसमैन जो होता है ना, वो इस चीज को देखता है कि मेरे को कंपनी चला के फायदा है कि नुकसान है। लॉस में कंपनी क्यों चलाएगा वो? आज अगर मेरे को बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाए कि यार मेरा घर बिक जाएगा, दूसरा है कि कंपनी बंद कर दे, घर बच जाएगा, तेरे को पता है तू अपना घर बचाएगा, 3 महीने बाद बिक जाएगा, अभी नहीं बिकेगा 3 महीने बाद बिक जाएगा, तो वो तो एक डिसीजन गलत हो जाएगा ना यार। तूने अभी 3 महीने तक उनको सस्टेन कर भी लिया, लेकिन तू तो बिक गया, उनको तो कहीं और नौकरी मिल जाती, पर तूने तो अपना घर ही बेच दिया, उससे सॉल्यूशन पॉसिबल नहीं था। और आपने जब कंक्लूजन किया विकास, तो अपने ही पॉइंट दोबारा रिपीट कर दिया आपने कंक्लूजन में, बाकियों का किसी का पॉइंट नहीं डाला। जो आप सोच रहे थे आपने वही चीज कंक्लूड कर दी। मैंने आपको पहले बोला कंक्लूजन आपका नहीं होता, यू नीड टू कंसीडर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ अदर्स आल्सो, इट इज नॉट योर कंक्लूजन, you need to consider that was the trouble with you. Gopi, you said details of the company are to be taken, finance is to be shown to employee and ask them if they want full salary, we can take loan. Yes, you said that, Gopi.
Yes, in the beginning
you said I will show
I
the
said
finance.
alternative. I said the alternative also.
What was that?
The alternative is we will provide the share and we will provide them how we are going to increase and how it will provide them financial security.
See, you said I will show them the plan. You cannot show them any plan. This is difficult because uncertain situation. But yes, you can give the shares, that I agree. Shares or dividend can be given only to best employees to retain them.
And they will also work with more enthusiasm as they will learn more as their
best employees ko, or not to everyone, only best employees. So Gopi ka point ke I can offer shares to the best employees. You see, the company cannot give you salary as of now, but yes, company can give you ownership. Share is one of them. I give you shares of this company if you can trust. तो shares क्या होता है कि मेरे ऊपर liability भी नहीं है कोई, and in future if company goes in profit, you take profit, goes in loss, you take loss. So they can take, some of them can take that particular option. So that part was good. You could have done that part. So this is how it was. So now you know this topic में what I want to इसमें जो conclusion निकल के आया, जो best part है वो क्या था कि sir, the income of the company has gone down. First of all, we should do brainstorming session in which we should involve the employees and management. First should be, how can we think of creating more income in the company? Maybe by some alternate, making some more products, alternate products. That is number
I
one.
didn't use the brainstorming word, sir.
No,
but
I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about you. I'm telling you now.
I'm saying I have told that point by conducting the first meeting with the management. We are coming up a plan how to increase the income with. I said like this, but I didn't use the brainstorming.
Okay.
That
So you have told
intention
that
is
word.
same. The intention is.
You said you will show them the plan to increase their salary.
Also, as you said that there we can enter into different fields. I said this point with the intention. I mean, with the difficulties, we will get the opportunities, so we can enter into different business.
That is a good point. Actually,
I said that with that.
We should think of increasing the income of the company. Number two, we should also ask them, every one of them, that how can we reduce the expenditure, not income, because their income is also one sort of expenditure. So how to decrease the expenditure? That was the second point. Then obviously we can think of giving them shares if we want to give them shares, right? That is what we can think of. Then lay off the employees which are not performing, and basically keeping the employees which are high-end employees, something like that. So these were the solutions of whatever we were discussing. These were the solutions for that. You understood this now? So think it off, listen to others, and find out the really important and feasible solution, not the solution which is impractical, which is not possible, that you should not give. That was the discussion. Anything you want to ask before we end up now? Anything you want to
my
ask?
reviews left.
Your कौन? अभिनव?
विवेक.
Yes, sir.
विवेक, तुम्हारा तो मैं बता रहा था ना, ये तुमने बोला कि जॉब कहीं और मिल जाएगी, कहीं जॉब नहीं मिलेगी उनको, वो that was a wrong part on you. I will reduce my profit, that was not correct. If you leave, you will not get job anywhere. Best employees के case में that is not true. Arrange meeting with different groups, that was the point Vivek you said, and that is the best point. You should not have meeting with everyone together. So Vivek said that we should have meeting with different groups differently. That is the best point in you, whatever you said. How much is the loss in the business? That assessment is important. Yes, assessment of your loss reduction is important. On the basis of that only you can think of how much you have to cut the salaries. So what is not good in Vivek you is that you said I will reduce my profit, and I will tell them that if you go somewhere else you will not get job. This is not going to work. Then you said lower staff का cut मैं नहीं करूँगा. Again that was not the topic. आप किसी और emotional उसमें चले गए. आपने lower staff के, why you even talking about lower staff की income? Topic is something different. So you should not talk about that. Fine?
Yes, sir. Fine.
So I think I've given more or less these all points to you. Now this is how you have to approach. But again I will say that when GT and all is given, just listen to what others are also saying, and from there you will get really good points. Maybe you can use those points. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to ask? Chalo, be prepared. So in a week we will do thrice this GT and GD. So we have done this third GT we have done. Maybe one or more GT will go, and then GD we will shift it out. So GD, GT will keep on pushing for 3 days per week. Fine? Chalo, then good night to all of you.
Good night, sir.
Right, sir.
Good night, sir.
Night, sir.